Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future, where innovation meets insight. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about upcoming tech gadgets in the camera world, the DJI Osmo 360. After weeks of leaks, whispers, and speculation, DJI has finally given us an official countdown. The official unveiling is scheduled for July 31st at 8 a.m. EDT, and fans of 360-degree video have every reason to be excited. Let's unpack the latest details, break down the confirmed features, and explore what this could mean for content creators, bloggers, and immersive video fans across the globe. Confirmed details and sensor design based on a mix of credible reports, packaging leaks, and hands-on previews. The DJI Osmo 360 is set to launch with the revolutionary Square 1.1-inch sensor engineered specifically for spherical video capture. This square layout allows for much more efficient use of pixel data when compared to traditional rectangular sensors, which often suffer from cropping during fisheye conversion. The result? Sharper, more immersive footage with minimal digital waste. There's also discussion surrounding a 1.3-inch variant showing up in teardown previews, enhanced by a periscope-style internal mirror system that aids with heat dissipation and helps keep the form factor compact. This unique approach, when combined with 10-bit color depth and D-Log M profile support, gives creators more flexibility in post-production color grading, offering a clear advantage over many current consumer-level 360 cameras like the Insta360X5, which uses 8-bit encoding. Low-light performance and clearly footage comparisons leaked online show that the Osmo 360 provides impressive low-light detail, especially in urban nighttime settings and shadow-heavy environments. Fine details such as leaves, fabrics, and skin textures appear more natural and less digitally sharpened. DJI seems to have refined their image processing pipeline for authentic color output, less aggressive noise reduction, and better dynamic range overall. In side-by-side test with the Insta360X5, the Osmo 360's footage, although less saturated out of the box, retains more highlight detail and shadows, making it perfect for cinematic workflows once color graded properly. Video formats, shooting modes, and flexibility. DJI Osmo 360 isn't just limited to immersive content. Leaks confirm that it includes a single lens mode, which allows it to function like a traditional action camera. Users can easily switch between front and rear lenses on the fly, even during active recording. This feature makes it highly versatile whether you're vlogging, filming travel clips, or capturing adventure sports. Multiple sources also suggest support for oversampled 6K video recording, with high bitrate capture, enabling crystal clear 360 footage with professional-grade clarity. An 8K 30 FPS mode may also be included, pushing the limits of current consumer camera technology. Design, battery, and build quality. In terms of physical design, the Osmo 360 sports a rugged, square-shaped body, reminiscent of the GoPro Max. This design not only offers ergonomic benefits, but also allows for better airflow and internal heat distribution, ideal for longer recording sessions at high resolutions. The unit is expected to weigh approximately 184 grams, making it lightweight and easy to carry, especially for on-the-go vloggers and outdoor content creators. DJI appears to have packed in a 950 mAh battery, reportedly the same unit used in their Osmo Action 5 Pro lineup. That means battery sharing across devices and DJI's ecosystem could be a possibility. The device is also rumored to offer 128 gigabytes of internal storage, with microSD expansion a big step up from competitors who rely solely on external cards. And let's not forget, the Osmo 360 is said to be water-resistant up to 10 meters, without the need for additional housing, ecosystem integration, and wireless features. If you're already a DJI user, the Osmo 360 will likely slide effortlessly into your setup. According to credible leaks, it offers seamless wireless pairing with the DJI Mimo app, as well as expected compatibility with the upcoming DJI Mic 3, on-screen audio metering, remote shooting controls, and mobile-based live previews will be possible all through a smartphone interface. This tight ecosystem integration could be a major draw for creators who use DJI drones, microphones, and gimbals, allowing for a unified content creation experience. Competition, pricing, and market impact. From a pricing standpoint, leaked packaging info suggests a base bundle around $500 or approximately 759 Australian dollars, placing it below the Insta360X5 in terms of price. Given that DJI is targeting advanced video features and camera storage, better thermal management, and superior low-light performance, this could shake up the 360 camera landscape. While Insta360 still leads with features like fast mobile editing, mature software, and top-tier stitching, DJI's advantage could come from sensor innovation, workflow compatibility, and pricing strategy, launch strategy, and future products buying the Osmo 360. DJI seems to be preparing for a multi-product summer launch. Alongside the 360 camera, we could see the debut of the DJI Mic 3 and possibly a new compact camera dubbed Osmo Nano. The synchronized timing indicates DJI is going all in on content creation tools, building a creator-centric product ecosystem. Why? It matters. DJI Osmo 360 has the potential to redefine what's possible in the compact 360 camera space. Its combination of high-end video features, smart design, and ecosystem compatibility makes it a serious contender for vloggers, FPV enthusiasts, VR storytellers, and cinematic content creators alike. With the launch set for July 31, 2025, it won't be long before we see how this camera performs in the real world. Will it dethrone the Insta360 X5? Will the Mic 3 enhance audio production for DJI fans? Only time will tell. Stay tuned to Technology in the Future for the full breakdown once the Osmo 360 is officially released. Complete reviews, comparisons, and pro tips coming your way.